Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you are fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya, and today I'll show you in this video so stylish and latest collection of Pixie haircut in short hair with beautiful ideas of bang and so attractive collection of hair dye and very stylish ideas of Pixie haircut in short hair with side bang with beautiful hair dye hair styling. For girls and women you see in this video, so I suggest and I humble request please you watch this video till end. I hope you like it. Different ideas of haircut in Pixie. Some ideas layered, deep layered. Some ideas step, undercut. And the latest type of cut, choppy haircut, notching haircut. And very beautiful ideas, cute ideas of bang. Chin length bang, nose length bang. And so stylish ideas of hairstyle. Fine hairstyle. Wavy and curly hairstyling. Some ideas wave and curl naturally, and some ideas make curl with curler. And so beautiful ideas of spiky hairstyle. Beautiful spike with undercut. And very beautiful ideas of messy hairstyle. The trend of 2023 of short hairstyle, messy hairstyle, and many much more beautiful ideas of messy hairstyle, spiky hairstyle, wavy curly hairstyling, fine hairstyle in short hair in Pixie for you in this video. And very beautiful collection of hair dye. Blonde hair dye, burgundy hair dye, light brown, dark brown, ash color, and beautiful ideas of highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in ash color with dark base color, and some ideas in funky color with light base color, and so beautiful overall collection. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video, your friends, your family members and others, and please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this and share it your all over social media accounts. So thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon in next video. Take care and bye bye.